Welcome food lovers, ready to elevate your breakfast game? Today, we're diving into the world of gourmet avocado toast. Forget soggy cereal. We're talking creamy avocado, crunchy toast and endless topping possibilities. This isn't just breakfast, it's a flavour explosion waiting to happen. This isn't your average toast though, we're going gourmet. Think vibrant colours, exciting textures and taste bud tantalising flavours. Get ready to impress yourself and your Instagram followers with an avocado toast masterpiece. Plus, it's packed with health benefits, rich in healthy fats, fibre and essential vitamins. Let's get started on this easy, delicious and nutritious recipe. First things first, let's raid your pantry. This is where the magic begins, so take a good look at what you have. Here's what you'll need for this culinary adventure. A selection of fresh, vibrant ingredients that will make your taste buds dance. Bread. Choose wisely, my friends. Sourdough? Yes. Whole wheat? You bet. White bread? Well, if you must. Each type brings its own unique texture and flavour to the table. Avocado. Pick one that's ripe and ready to mash. Give it a gentle squeeze. It should yield slightly to pressure. The perfect avocado is creamy and rich, ideal for spreading. Lemon because a squeeze of citrus brightens everything. Plus, it keeps the avocado nice and green. A little zest can also add an extra layer of flavour. Salt and pepper, a pinch of each to wake up those flavours. These basic seasonings are essential for balancing and enhancing the taste. Red pepper flakes for a touch of heat, optional but highly encouraged. They add a delightful kick that can elevate your dish. Now, for the fun part, the toppings. Get crazy and creative. The sky's the limit when it comes to adding your personal touch. Everything bagel seasoning, because everything is better with everything bagel seasoning. Fact, it adds a savoury crunch that's simply irresistible. Cherry tomatoes, sweet, juicy bursts of flavour. They add a pop of colour and freshness to your dish. Feta cheese, tangy and delicious, crumbles beautifully. It brings a creamy, salty contrast to the avocado. Fresh herbs, basil, cilantro, parsley, whatever your heart desires. These herbs add a fragrant, fresh finish to your creation. Time to turn that bread into golden goodness. Let's get started on making the perfect toast. Pop your bread slices into the toaster and aim for a nice, even toast. Keep an eye on it to avoid any burnt surprises. No one likes burnt bits, right? So make sure to set your toaster to the right level. While the bread is toasting, let's tackle that avocado. Choose a ripe one for the best flavour. Slice it in half, remove the pit carefully, and scoop the creamy flesh into a bowl. Be gentle to avoid any mess. Now grab your lemon and give it a squeeze over the avocado. This adds a fresh, zesty kick. Add a pinch of salt and pepper, just enough to enhance the flavours without overpowering them. Then grab a fork and mash it all up. Take your time to get the right consistency. Remember, we're going for a rustic mash, not baby food. The chunks add character. Leave some chunks for texture. It makes each bite more interesting. Taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. You're the boss of your avocado toast destiny. Make it perfect for you. Section 4. Building your avocado masterpiece. Get ready to create a culinary delight that will tantalize your taste buds and impress your friends. The toast is ready. Carefully retrieve those golden slices and lay them out on a plate. Make sure they are perfectly toasted to a golden brown, crispy on the outside, yet soft on the inside. Now, for the moment of truth, spread that creamy avocado goodness over each slice of toast. Use a generous amount to ensure every bite is packed with flavour. Don't be shy. We want a nice thick layer of flavour. The thicker, the better. This is the foundation of your masterpiece. Now comes the fun part. Unleash your inner artist. This is where you can get creative and make your toast not only delicious, but also visually stunning. Sprinkle on those red pepper flakes for a touch of heat. Just a pinch will do, but feel free to add more if you like it spicy. Scatter some cherry tomatoes for sweetness and colour. These little gems add a burst of freshness and a pop of vibrant red. Crumble on that feta cheese for a tangy twist. The salty, creamy texture of the feta complements the avocado perfectly. And don't forget those fresh herbs. They add a pop of freshness and make your toast look ridiculously gourmet. Basil, cilantro or parsley work wonders. And the finishing touch? A sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning, of course. This adds a delightful crunch and a mix of flavors because, well, everything is better with everything bagel seasoning. It's the perfect blend of spices to elevate your toast. Trust me on this one. Your avocado toast will be a hit and you'll be the toast of the town. In this optional step, we'll tackle the poached egg challenge. Poaching an egg can be tricky, but with a bit of practice, you'll master it in no time. Start by bringing a pot of water to a gentle simmer. Add a splash of vinegar to help the egg whites coagulate. Crack an egg into a small bowl, then gently slide it into the water. Cook for about 3-4 minutes until the whites are set, but the yolk is still runny. Carefully remove the egg with a slotted spoon and place it on a paper towel to drain. Now place your perfectly poached egg on top of your avocado toast for an extra layer of deliciousness. Enjoy! Congratulations! You've just crafted a gourmet avocado toast that's not only easy but absolutely delicious. Celebrate your culinary success and enjoy every scrumptious bite. Thank you for watching and supporting Beastegs TV. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe so you never miss out on our exciting new videos. Stay tuned for more mouth-watering recipes. Have an amazing day.